In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests lived a curious and adventurous boy named Liam. The village was a close-knit community where everyone knew each other's names and shared a deep bond. Liam was known for his insatiable curiosity and boundless energy. Every morning, Liam would wake up to the soothing chirping of birds and the gentle caress of the morning breeze. He would dash out of his small cottage, a grin plastered on his face, ready to explore. From the babbling brook to the towering oak tree, he knew every nook and cranny of the village. One day, as the village faced a drought, Liam's spirit was undeterred. He embarked on a journey through the woods, determined to find a solution. Guided by his intuition, he discovered a hidden spring that gushed with crystal-clear water. Excitedly, he rushed back to the village and shared his discovery. The spring revitalized the village, reminding everyone of the importance of hope and the courage to venture into the unknown. Liam's bravery and curiosity became an inspiration to all. As the years passed, the village flourished, and Liam's name was etched into its history. Liam grew up to be a humble and wise young man, forever cherishing the lessons he had learned during his adventures. The village of close to 200 residents continued to thrive, a testament to the enduring spirit of a curious boy who believed in the power of exploration and